How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I am going to give you guys some ab tips that will help you guys get six-pack abs. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Please follow me on Instagram, Dylanberg999. So here's the thing. When trying to get abs, this is a major thing that people don't do. Yes, it's very important that when you're trying to get six-pack abs, the main thing that you guys need to do is you need to be at a low body fat percentage. Two things actually. You need a low body fat percentage, and you need to make sure that you guys have actually trained the muscle and have actually developed muscle in the ab area. If you just get to a low body fat percentage, you haven't developed your ab muscles, then you're not going to have six-pack abs. So to get to a lean body fat percentage, the simplest way to get to a low body fat percentage, and this is so simple to do, is literally to make sure that you guys get the proper amount of fiber intake every single day. Now this sounds so simple, yet you would be surprised at how many people do not get the proper amount of fiber, not even close. And some of you are thinking, well, I eat a ton of protein and I eat pretty healthy. Just because you eat a ton of protein and you think you eat pretty healthy doesn't mean that you're actually getting the proper amount of fiber. You need to make sure that you guys track your fiber intake for a full week and see how much fiber you're actually consuming, because the average person actually needs quite a bit of fiber per day. So this is what Canadian Food Guide recommends, you need 14 grams of fiber per 1,000 calories. So if you're if you're losing weight on, let's say 3,000 calories, you need 42 grams of fiber per day. Currently, I am cutting on 4,500 calories per day, and I'm getting roughly about 60 grams of fiber per day. So that is what really helps, is fiber. Now, why does fiber help? Is because it makes you feel full. If you're eating food, you're trying to cut weight, and your fiber isn't there, then you're going to be hungry all the time, and this will cause you not to be able to lose weight. So fiber can really harm you if you're not getting the proper amount. You can also eat too much fiber too, and what happens is you become extremely gassy, and I've had that a couple times. It sucks, but make sure you're getting the proper amount of fiber, and I guarantee you'll have an easier time losing weight and actually getting six-pack abs. So end the video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Please follow me on Instagram, Dylanberg999. Thank you.